Hello and welcome to this quick video where I'm going to show you the latest card making kit from Hunkydory, which is called Twist and Pop Positive Vibes. And basically it is a kit to make 16 complete cards, and all of them, when you open the card up, the inside twists and pops out. So that's why it's called Twist and Pop. And together with the kit, they've also done blank greeting cards so you can make your own. So I'm going to quickly run through and show you how the card is put together and how you make it. So when you get the kit, you get 2 sheets per card, and one is the base card and the little piece that wraps around the card to keep it closed. And you also get this piece, which is the inside of the card. So this bit here with the cross on it is the mechanics of how the card works. This bit here with the 4 oblongs is the bit that you decorate. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out the mechanical part of your card, and you'll see it has a long line and then a cross in the middle. Now the long line you're going to fold mountain as a mountain fold. So you'll fold it and the fold will be on the outside, like so. And if you've got a scorer, you can score that fold. Then the X you're going to fold as a valley. So when you fold it as a valley, the fold, it's a dip, so it looks like a valley, hence the reason they're called mountains and valleys. So that's one. Once you've done both the folds, you're going to then push together these 2 ends here, bring them together like so, and it creates an arrow. So when you've done the mountain fold on the long one, the valley folds on the X, you're going to pull together these 2 points here, and that will then create the shape of your mechanism. So then you can score that into place, and that's ready to go. So the next thing you want to do is you want to put some double-sided sticky tape, very strong sticky tape, on that pyramid. And you want to do it both sides. So I now have my folding mechanism with sticky tape on both sides. At this point, you then want to take your base card, which is on the second sheet, and you want to fold the base card in half, and you want to make a mark in the middle. So I've measured the card to be 4 inches, so I'm going to make a mark at the 2-inch point, just a little mark like so. And then I'm going to take my mechanical part, take off my one layer, and then I'm folding the second layer back, and I'm just going to place this point here on my mark and make sure that this mechanical part is straight on my card. Then I'm going to push down, pull my tab, push down firmly, take off the other side of the double-sided sticky tape, and then I'm going to just close my card. So now you can see it opens like that. So it's up to you if you want to decorate this first, this outside bit first, and then put it together. So the next thing you want to do is you want to do a mark, dotted line down through the center of this X. So you've got this mark here, this line down there, and just do it gently. And then you want your inside part. I'll put that to one side. So you want to fold this in a concertina, but you want the middle fold to be a mounting fold. So there's my mounting fold, and that means that the other two need to be a valley fold. So it looks like a W when you hold it up, or an M. So the next part is to add some sticky tapes. So make sure that you've got the reverse. So make sure this one is a mounting fold and the fold is facing down. And you're going to add sticky tape to this little corner here, this little quarter. So you don't want them too big, and you probably want about 3 pieces. So that's the first one, and then you're going to turn your card around and you're going to do exactly the same in the same position, so in this little quarter here. So then you can remove your double-sided sticky tape, and you want to then line this mounting fold here in the center and place it along your dotted line, and then push down, lining up the bottoms and the tops, push down on this part here so that the places where you've put the sticky tape here and here are now attached. Now when you first fold this, it's going to be a little bit stiff, so it won't fold on its own, but this, after a few times, it will release itself. So that's how you create the new Twist and Pop card, and hopefully it will give you inspiration to create your own beautiful cards.